Samsung has launched its new 5G-enabled smartphone under F series in India called Galaxy F23, and it is the successor of the Galaxy F22 smartphone that was launched back in July last year. Talking about the specifications, the Galaxy F23 5G features a tall 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 6GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage, which is also expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Galaxy F23 5G supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 123° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the V-shaped notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by 5000 mAh battery that supports 25W fast charging, and it runs on latest Android 12 based on One UI 4.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with power cool technology that keeps the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.5 by 77 by 8.4mm, and it weighs around 198 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Galaxy F23 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 17,499 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 18,499 Indian rupees, and it will be available at a discount of 1,500 rupees for a limited period of time. The smartphone is set to go on sale starting from March 16th in forest green and aqua blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy F23 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSolbug YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.